You want to smell them?
Okay, Avery, you want to smell the flowers? Mmm. It's fun to smell flowers.
Don't they smell good? Mmm.
Oh, smelling. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, now you want to say hi to the Santa? Okay.
Okay, we done? One last smell? No, let's not eat them.
Okay, yeah.
Alright then.
It's Avery's second Christmas, and she is so fascinated by the decorations. Do you want to show your favorite Santa cookie jar?
You give him a kiss? No? Want to kiss little Santa? Okay. Hi, Avery. I'm little Santa.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
What does Santa say, Avery?
Ho, ho, ho. Is it ho, ho, ho? Can you give him a kiss? There we go. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, now you want to dance?
You want to dance to the Santa?
Okay.
You want to go over to Santa and dance? Avery. Avery, where's your elf? Can you pick up your elf for Mama? Where's your elf? Oh, good girl. Oh, can you give Elf some love? Can you give Elf a hug? Oh, that's very nice.
I know.
Oh, and you're going to give it to Dada? Okay, and then let's go up on the counter and do some dancing with Santa.
Kiss Santa or dance. Here we go. Okay, he's going to start up again. Come on, Santa. Give us the goods. Come on. Here we go.
Yeah, dance with Santa. Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Jingle bell. Aww. Oh, that's so nice. Oh.
Almost got that.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Let's edit that out.
Oh, yeah. Okay, good girl.